Hi guys, I am Ramchandra Sambhaji Kalewad, a pharmacy student, and I am here to deliver the topic of anterior pituitary hormones, their analogues and inhibitors. Okay, alright, now we will start from the hormones and move on. Now hormones, meaning in Greek word is to stir up. Next point, it is substance of intense biological activity that is produced by specific cell in the body. Next, hormones are transported through the circulation of act on target cell. Next, hormones are also called as signaling molecules. Next, hormones regulate body functions, growth, movements, reproduction, developments, and etc. Now, third slide. Here we will learn about pituitary gland. In this, pituitary glands are also called as master endocrine glands. Then, pituitary glands mainly divide into two types: anterior and posterior pituitary. After that, anterior and posterior lobes of pituitary glands receives separates neuronal input from the hypothalamus. Now we will discuss anterior pituitary glands in this slide in brief. First of all, it also called as master endocrine gland. Then it releases various peptide hormones which act on extracellular receptor located on their target cell. After that, its anterior pituitary hormones is produced by separated growth of cell present in anterior pituitary gland. After all, it depends on their staining characteristic, acidophilic or basophilic. Here in this slide we are going to classify hormones that are secreted by anterior pituitary glands. Anterior pituitary glands secreted mainly in 5 types of hormones. In this, growth hormones, second, adrenocorticotropic hormones, third, thyroid stimulating hormones, fourth, prolactin, fifth, gonadotropin. It's further divided into 2 types: follicle stimulating hormone, second, luteinizing hormone. Now further we will study these 5 types of hormones one by one. In that, first of all, we will study about growth hormone, that is GH. It is secreted by somatotropy cell of anterior pituitary. It is single polypeptide chain which contains 191 amino acids having molecular weight 22,000. Regulation of secretion. Secretion of growth hormone regulated by hypothalamic growth hormone releasing hormone, that is GHRH. Example: somatotropin and hypothalamic, etc. Inhibition of growth hormone regulated by hypothalamic growth hormone inhibiting hormone, that is GHIH. Example: hyperglycemia, etc. Now, the physiological function of growth hormone. It stimulates growth hormone, that is increase in size of cell. Next, stimulates cell production, increase rate of mitosis, increase in number of cell and proliferation rate. Okay. Now in this slide we will learn about growth hormone inhibitors. First, somatostatin. In this 14 amino acid peptide which inhibits the secretion of growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, prolactin. Also other secretion like insulin and glucagon and gastrin and HCl. Octreotide, second type. These synthetic octapeptides somatostatin is 40 times more protein suppressing GI secretion and longer action. Pegisomant, third type. It is polyethylene complex growth hormone bind to growth hormone receptor and prevent action of growth hormone by antagonizing the receptor. Okay. Now here is the second hormone, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone is a tropic hormone produced by the anterior pituitary. The hypothalamic pituitary axis control it. ACTH regulates cortisol and androgen production. Disease associated with ACTH include Addison disease, Cushing syndromes and Cushing disease. Regulation and secretion. Hypothalamus release corticotropic releasing hormones which ACT and anterior pituitary gland. Here in this slide, now function of adrenocorticotropic hormone. ACTH regulate blood sugar level and also play important role in the glucose metabolism. ACTH also help to regulate salts and water balance and help to control blood pressure. ACTH play important role in immunosystem. Third type now TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone. First of all, it is also called as TSH thyrotropin. It contains two glycoproteins chain having 210 amino acids and its molecular weight is about 30,000. TSH is an anteropituitary hormone that stimulates the thyroid gland to produce T3 and T4. Regulation of secretion. Anterior pituitary gland release TSH which act on that thyroid gland to produce T3 and T4 hormone. Here in this slide, now function of TSH. It also play an important role in regulating your weight, body temperature, molecule strength and your mood. TSH is made in a gland in brain called the pituitary. When thyroid level in your body are low, the pituitary glands make more TSH. When thyroid level are high, the pituitary gland makes less TSH. Here is the fourth hormone, that is prolactin. Prolactin is a hormone produced by your pituitary gland, which site at the bottom of the brain. Prolactin cues breast to grow and develop and cues milk to be made after a baby is born. Normally, both men and women have small amount of prolactin in their blood. Regulation and secretion. Release of prolactin takes place after stimulation like sucking sound of hungry pump. Function of prolactin. Prolactin is a protein hormone of the anterior pituitary gland. Prolactin is responsible for development of mammary gland. In this responsible for secretion of milk from mammary gland. Fifth types now gonadotropins that we are discussing as below. Gonadotropins are hormones synthesized by released by the anterior pituitary. These act on the gonads, testes and ovaries to increase the production of sex hormones and stimulate production of either sperms or ova. Follicle stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormones are the main gonadotropins. Here under the gonadotropin, it is the first type, that luteinizing hormone in bracket LH. LH is made by the pituitary gland, a small gland located under the brain. LH play an important role in sexual development and functioning. In women, LH help control the menstrual cycle. It also triggers the release of eggs from the ovary. Now the second type, another the gonadotropin, that is follicle stimulating hormone in bracket FSH. Follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin, a glycoprotein polypeptide hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cell of the anterior pituitary gland and regulate the development, growth and reproductive process of the body. Now last but foremost slide that include function of gonadotropin. Luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone are called gonadotropin because stimulate the gonads. In male, the testes, and in female, in ovaries. They are not necessary for life but are essential for reproduction. Luteinizing and follicle stimulating hormone. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.